Hello and welcome. I am Matt Taylor and this is my variety channel. Today I'm going to show you how to buy Bitcoin. This is a basic cryptocurrency tutorial for those of you who might be new and just starting out in cryptocurrency. It's really easy to do. Let's get started. All right, here we are on a site called Coinbase.com. Coinbase is a really easy site to get started. It's my recommended site to get started buying and selling cryptocurrency. And then you can move on to some of the more advanced exchanges if you like, once you get comfortable with it. But Coinbase is a really great place to start. And if this is your first time in Coinbase, you will want to set up an account. If you don't have a Coinbase account, I have a referral link down below in the description that you can use. And if you do that, you'll get $10, and I'll also get $10 as well. So we can help each other out. Now, what we want to do is get started right here. If you've never been here before, you can click get started right here or get started right here. And then you're going to fill this out, put your name, email, password, and then create your account. I'm not going to do that since I already have an account. And here we are. Here is the home page on Coinbase. Pretty awesome. Again, here's this little invite friends to Coinbase. So once you sign up on Coinbase, you could also invite other people. And so once that person buys or sells $100 worth of Coinbase, you will get $10 and they will get $10 worth of crypto, which is really cool. That's really cool. A good way to share the news about Coinbase and get more people to use this exchange. Now, there's a couple ways that we can buy Bitcoin on here. First, we need to set up our buying account. There's your account info. Go to settings and then go over to linked accounts. And then here is where you're going to add your banking information or your debit card. I recommend using a debit card because you'll get your Bitcoins instantly. If you use your bank account, it's going to take a while, a couple days before you see your Bitcoins in your account. And by that time, the price can totally change. And then you'll just hit link account and you'll just fill in the information, what you want to do, a bank account, debit card, or wire transfers. Wire transfers is fairly expensive. It's a little faster than using a bank account, and debit card works really fast, especially for small accounts. That's why I recommend doing a debit card first. And so you can just click on that and then fill in the information to link your card. So it's pretty simple. Now, you may need to contact your bank and authorize it. You may or may not need to do that. All right, so once you have your accounts linked, we're back over here on the home page. A couple ways we can do this. We can come up here and hit trade, or we can come down here and click on the cryptocurrency that we want to buy. In this case, Bitcoin. So we can just view asset. And now we can buy Bitcoin right here. So let's say we want to buy $25 worth of Bitcoin. We're going to start small. And then what we'll do is that's saying that we're going to buy Bitcoin. And you can switch it to something else if you want, one of these other ones that Coinbase offers. I'm going to buy Bitcoin, and then we're going to pay with one of our accounts. And this is where I'm going to select my debit card. And the reason being is because if you use your bank account, it takes a lot longer. And then we're going to preview the purchase. And here we go. We're going to buy 0.002 Bitcoin. And the price is right now, it tells you what the price is, what account we're using, what our purchase is worth, and then the fee for using Coinbase. There is a fee to use it, and then the total amount. There are some ways to get around fees, but for this basic tutorial, we're just going to do it this way. And then just hit buy now. And it says that we've successfully purchased our Bitcoin, and you can view the transaction right here. And it says right here, bought Bitcoin, what account I used, and it's right here in my account. There we go. And you notice it took the fee, so I only have $23.39 worth of Bitcoin. So So just keep that in mind that there are some fees involved. The more that you buy, the lower the percentage of the fee will be. And there are some ways to get around fees. But this is a service, so we're paying for the service. So I don't mind paying the fee. All right. And remember the referral link down below in the description. If you need a Coinbase account, use that link and we can both earn $10. And there you have it. That is how you buy Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies on Coinbase. Hopefully you found this tutorial helpful. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Also, subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell so you won't miss out on any of my new videos. I'm Matt Taylor. This is my variety channel. Until next time, happy investing, everyone.